Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about portobello mushrooms, and I have a list of food and flavoring combinations that are known to pair well with portobellos. So if you're looking for some new ideas, some recipe ideas or something like that, a little different to do with portobellos, hopefully this list will help you out. The list was long. I broke it up into two parts. This is part 2. I'll have a link to part 1 video below in the description box. Combine portobello mushrooms with garlic, ginger, and scallions. Or portobellos with garlic, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and spinach. How about portobellos with garlic and soy sauce? Portobellos with garlic and sun-dried tomatoes. Portobellos with lemon juice, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and thyme. Or portobellos with mint and zucchini. Portobellos with pesto and polenta. Portobellos with spinach and tomatoes. Or portobellos with vinegar of your choice, walnut oil, and walnuts. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.